Here we are asked to simplify the following algebraic expressions. All right, so let me rewrite the expression first. So we have 9x minus 10y minus 2x plus 17y. All right, and as you saw from the earlier video, okay, it's always good practice to make sure that every term has a sign. So for 9x, since there is no sign, the implicit understanding is it is a plus. All right, now when they say simplify an algebraic expression, what are they asking you to do? They're asking you to group the terms which have the same variable attached to it. All right, so in this example, you have two terms with x and two terms with y. Okay, so normally what I would suggest to students is to always use brackets, okay, to group them, so you know all the terms involved and you don't miss out anything. All right, so in this case, since there are only two terms, okay, we can straight away group. For example, this is plus 9x and this is minus 2x. Okay, so you can do it directly, okay, from this grouping itself, or if you want to again be a bit more systematic in your steps, you can write it out first. So plus 9x minus 2x. All right, and the other grouping is again I will draw the bracket, but in this case I will draw it on top so it doesn't you don't get confused with the x terms. So you have negative, okay, negative 10y plus 17y. Okay, so now the x is grouped together, y is grouped together, and now we just need to do the arithmetic portion. Okay, so how do you do this? Again, most students always get confused with plus and minus, and one common or one easy way you can always imagine is think of it as money exchanging hands. Okay, plus means money coming to you, negative means money going away from you. All right, so take it as the variable as dollars. So in this case, you have plus 9x means $9 you are getting and $2 you are giving away. So effectively you are left with $7. So for this first x expression, you are left with 7x or positive 7x. Okay, if you want to put the plus sign, you can go ahead and put. Okay, and for the y, you have negative 10 and positive 17. That means you have $17 and you are giving away $10. All right, which means that the balance is that you still have $7 left. Okay, so it is plus 7y. All right, so for the final answer, okay, usually for the first term, if there's a plus, you don't have to put the plus. All right, so I can remove this. So this is the final answer over here, 7x plus 7y. All right, let's look at the second expression here. So for the second expression, you have to do expansion. Okay, so what is expansion, or basically opening up the brackets? Okay, however you want to call it. So in this case, you have maybe I'll write it out first. So you have 4 3a plus 2b minus 2 minus 2a plus b. All right, so this is the term, the expression that we have, 4 bracket 3a plus 2b minus 2 bracket minus 2a plus b. Okay, and the first thing is you want to open up the brackets. Okay, so to open up the bracket, you need to take the term outside and multiply it into each term within the bracket. Okay, so what I would normally ask students to do is to draw arrows. So 4, which is the term outside, multiply by the first term. So again, what is the sign for 4? Okay, since there is no sign, the understanding is it is a plus. All right, so plus and 3a also is a plus. All right, now again, another confusion among students is the multiplication between different signs. Okay, and the easiest way to remember is this. Okay, just remember this table. Okay, and it's very simple. Same means plus, different means minus. Okay, what does that mean? Very simply put, if I take plus multiply by plus or minus multiply by minus, that means both the signs are the same, the resulting sign will always be plus. Okay, if the two signs are different, that means plus multiply by minus or minus multiply by plus, the resulting sign will always be minus. Okay, so if the two signs are the same, it's a plus. If the two signs are different, it will be a minus. Okay, so that's a very easy way to remember it. So in this case, plus and plus means the result is going to be a plus. So 4 times 3a is 12a. So this will be 12a. Next one, plus 4 times plus 2b. Plus 4 times plus 2b. So again, plus and plus will be plus. 4 times 2b will be 8b. Alright, so that is the first term that we have expanded. Now for the second term, okay, so again, whenever you see a minus, you always have to be extra careful because that is where the careless mistakes will come in. Okay, so here we have minus 2. So always remember this is minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2a. So again, coming back to the rule, minus times minus, both the signs are the same, means it's going to be a plus. So 2 times 2a is 4a. Okay, and then minus 2 multiply by plus b. So minus times plus, the two signs are different. If the two signs are different, the answer is going to be minus. So 2 times b will be 2b. Okay, so that is the first step, the expansion. All right, now after you're done with the expansion, then you can go ahead to do the simplification. And what is simplification? You group the terms together based on the variable. So I have a plus 12a and plus 4a. Okay, so again, plus 12a and plus 4a means you have $12 and you're getting another $4. So total you have $16. So 16a, and then for the b, plus 8b and minus 2b. So you have $8 and you're giving away $2. Balance is you still have $6. Okay, plus 6b. So that's the final answer here, 16a plus 6b. Okay, thank you.